So this is a room tour of room 624 at Ocean Club West in Turks and Caicos in Providenciales. This is a studio room. So when you first walk in, this is where you're going to find your little coffee nook that has everything that you need to make your coffee in the morning, and also accoutrement, as well as a toaster. There are items down in here for you to cook and serve your items. And then directly behind it is where you're going to find the little mini kitchenette. There is a fridge as well as a freezer that is here. You're going to have your sink to wash the dishes as needed. And then there is a 2-burner stove right here. Obviously it's electric, it's a rental unit. And then above that is where you're going to go ahead and find the microwave. And then inside you're going to find all of your glasses, so you don't have to wash immediately after every meal. Although since you're hand washing, I suggest it so it doesn't get dried on. But you've got plates, bowls, cups, mugs, bowls to cook things in, and so forth. And then again, you're going to have your trash can, but in the drawers, everything that you need to get ready. A very smart dual drawer thing with your cutlery and then knives and such behind that. And then because this is just a hot plate stove, you're going to have all of the different items that you need for serving, plenty of strainers, measuring cups, everything that you might need, even a mixer in case you're going to be making mashed potatoes or something fun like that. And then directly behind here, you have your HVAC that does have a step stool just in case you need it. I don't think you're going to. And then on this one is where you're going to find your washer and dryer and some closet space. So this has a luggage rack right here, as well as your laundry basket and a safe. There are plenty of hangers up here, as well as some additional pillows in case you need them. There is also an iron and an ironing board hung here. And then there is a set of hooks if you need to set up anything to dry in this space. You do have the washer dryer that is yours to use while you're staying. There is a dryer on top and washer beneath. You do get started with a set of 2 all detergent that will be the free and clear, so there are no scents there if it bothers you. There is a luggage rack over here, as I mentioned, and then you have your wall safe. This one is a pretty big wall safe. Just putting my hand in here to show you. It's pretty deep, pretty wide, so you're able to fit your iPads, laptops, jewelry, wallet, passport, etc. in here. And then to use it, you're just going to close it up, put in a 4 to 6 digit code like 1, 2, 3, 4, press lock that is on the left hand side here, and that will lock it. I do ask you to use a more creative code than 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's on you. And then to unlock it, you can just press that same 1, 2, 3, 4 code or whatever creative code you used, and that will go ahead and unlock this. Continuing on, straight ahead is a bathroom. So you do have a mirror right over your vanity. It's a very large mirror, it's great, and I'll show you how that works as well. You do have a sink with some pretty decent counter space to it as well. Of course, you have the toilet, and then you've got the walk-in shower where you are going to have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right here. And then there is a towel rack here if you need it. I do appreciate that there's a grab bar, again, just in case you need it. And then this is a single control. You're just going to turn this from hot to cold to control the temperature. And this is a rain shower type unit. For this, it does not have a hand control in this one, but that is the bathroom here. The 2 other things I'm going to point out is, one, there is a block wall. This goes into where the bedroom area is, but it does let a little bit of light in from the bathroom into that, as well as the porthole window in the door. That again lets a little bit of light, but obviously you can't see anything through this. There are also 2 hooks right above here so that you can hang your towels and such over there, or swimsuits or whatever it is that you need on that piece of it, as well as having additional hooks right here. And then to operate this, if you want to have the light turn on, you're just going to go ahead and press the button, and now all of a sudden you have a light for your mirror. If you press it again, it changes the tone for that. You do also have a hair dryer, and the hair dryer is going to be in the bottom drawer here. So this is the hair dryer. That is the option. It is in an 1875 watt hair dryer. You can see that it does have an attachment to it. So this is a pretty decent hair dryer. However, I know some people really have a specific hair dryer that they need, then they can bring that one. But the good news is you do not have one of the cheap folding hair dryers that is not actually going to dry your hair while you're here. Just outside the bathroom is the bedroom area of the studio. It does have a mirror right here, and the nightstand has a telephone as well as a lamp on it. And this lamp is one of the ones that includes the USB charger and a USB-C charger, which is great because you can do your charging right from the lamp. It does also include a king-size bed within the room, and there is another lamp on the other nightstand on the other side. Same thing, it's got the USB and the USB-C charger there. There is also a ceiling fan, so you've got plenty of breeze if you would like to have that. And then you also have a little sofa right here. And yes, this sofa is in fact a pull-out couch, so you're able to sleep more people in the room if you choose. And then it's got more of these windows. There is plexiglass on top of that, but the way they operate is that you simply turn this to the left, so clockwise, and it's going to open this up so you can let some light in if you would like to, and then you're going to turn it the other direction to turn all this off so that you can keep the room as cool as you would like when it's a little bit warmer outside. You do also have a coffee table, as well as, of course, a television that is right here. It does have your remote control, and yes, the television is angleable, so you can watch it whether you're sitting on the day bed or if you're sitting on your bed itself. When you come out this way, this is where you're going to have your slider. This is a double slider, so again, nice days, nice evenings, you can open this up and really have a nice breeze and enjoy the weather out here, because it isn't just one piece that opens, it is much wider. Outside, you do have a table with 4 chairs that's attached to it, and you do also have a chaise lounge with a small table, so you can sit, play games, take a nap, read a book, and so forth. There is also a set of hooks, so you can hang things when it's not humid outside. And then you do also have lights up here, as well as a ceiling fan outside, so that you can enjoy the breeze and create your own breeze, and another light. The other piece I'm going to say for this garden view, and this is a case for all of them, when you come outside, this is actually screened in, so you don't have to worry about bugs coming in to join you as you're enjoying your time outside, because they are outside of this area. So the slider does not need to have a screen. To close it, you're just going to pull. The second door will catch as you keep going, and then close it, and this is just like any other screen door. Up is locked, down is unlocked. And then this particular room does have blackout shades, so when you pull it closed, you really can't see any light at all. And then it has a second one that is a sheer, and you can close this up if you would rather have no one see inside, but just have a little bit of light still coming through. So this is the studio room in Ocean Club West. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay here.